evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight.
Game sa akin.
We go to a party and everyone's turned to see this beautiful lady. She's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And I wonder how it all, she just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head. So I give her the car keys, she helped me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight.